Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ritika Singh Chauhan, and I have created this silver half moon eyeliner on my crease, and yeah, kind of a look. So if you want to know how I created this look, keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with this Pond Super Light Gel Moisturizer. And now for the primer, I'm using this NELF waterproof primer. Now for the foundation, I'm using this Nykaa Skin Genius foundation in the shade 06, and I'm gonna mix it up with this NYX Total Drop Total Drop Control foundation in the shade Natural. Now for the blender, I'm using this Blue Heaven Beauty Sponge. Now for the concealer, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium. And for the concealer brush, I'm using this Zoeva Concealer Buffer Brush. Now to brighten my under, I'm using the Fit Me Concealer in the shade Light. Now to set my face, I'm using this Fit Me compact powder in the shade 230 Natural Buff. And the brush is from Amazon, it's a nameless brush. Now to set my under, I'm using the Maybelline Master Fix loose powder. It's a translucent loose powder, and I'm using the same Blue Heaven sponge. Okay, now for the eyebrows, I'm using this Faces Canada eyebrow brush. I'm going to use its spoolie side to comb my brow hair. Now to fill my eyebrows, I'm using this Maybelline Nudes eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use this black shade right here on the same Faces Canada brush, the angular side of it. Yeah. Okay, now to set my eyebrows, I'm using this Benefit 24 Hours Brow Setter. It's a transparent brow setter. Okay, now for the eyes, I'm using this Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow in the shade 04, and this is how the shade looks. It's a silver mixed with something color. So yeah. Okay, now I'm taking this Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow in the shade 04, and I'm putting it all over my lid. Now I'm taking this flat eyeshadow brush and I'm blending the color all over my lid. Now I'm taking this NYX liquid eyeliner and I am creating a wing, a small wing. And I'm sorry for the bad recording skills. I have no idea that I was too focused on my wing, so I don't know what the hell I was doing. So yeah, this is how I'm creating my wing. I'm very close to my lash line and taking it a little bit a little high wing, and now I'm creating this half moon kind of a shape on my crease. So yeah. Okay, back to normal. I'm using the same eyeshadow on the back of my hand, and I'm taking the same brush, and I'm gonna put the shadow low on my lower lash line, very close to my lower lash line. Okay, now I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so our eyes are done, and now for the face, I'm using this Elegirl Glow palette. It's in the shade Glow, and I'm gonna use its bronzer. And for the bronzer brush, I'm using this Faces Canada Zoeva Face Curve brush. Now for the blush, I'm gonna use the same Elegirl Glow palette, and I'm gonna use these two shades. Actually, I'm gonna mix them together and I'm gonna use these two. And the brush is from Nykaa. It's their blush brush. Now for the highlighter, I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. And for the brush, I'm using the Wet n Wild. I guess this is tapered blending brush. I don't know, but it's P20, Wet n Wild P20 brush. Okay, so I forgot to put the mascara. Before that, I'm gonna curl my lashes, and for the curler, I'm using this rose gold curler from Shein, and I'm gonna curl my lashes. Okay, now for the mascara, I'm using this Maybelline Push Up Drama Falsies mascara. Okay, now for the lipstick, I'm using this Nykaa. Again, I don't know what this range is called, but it's in the shade 12am Taupe Thrill, and this is how the shade looks. It's a beautiful nude shade. Okay, so our makeup is complete. I will set my face with the PAC Micro Makeup Finish Makeup Fixer. But I hope you guys like it. It's a very simple look. You have to do nothing. Just two things. You need just two things, like liquid eyeshadow and an eyeliner. That's it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. And yeah, see you next time. Until then, bye.